Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shri Mahavir International School. In last video students, I told you the different types of the plastics like the thermosetting and the thermoplastics. And I told that thermoplastics can be remolded and reshaped to forming the different shape and size of object, but thermosetting cannot be used for the remolding and the reshaped. Then I told about the plastic and the nature. Plastics cannot be destroyed easily. That's why the plastics is harmful for our environment. So we have to decrease the use of plastics. Today students, we see a comparison between the time taken by plastics and the some other materials to decompose is shown in the table given below. Here is a table students in which we see that object which takes time to destroy in nature. So if we talk about the paper nature of material, the nature of paper is what? Biodegradable. Why biodegradable? Because it can destroy in nature easily, and it will destroy in nature 10 to 30 days. And what about the cotton? Cotton is also biodegradable. It will destroy 2 to 6 months. And the vegetables, fruits and other food stuff, biodegradable in 10 to 20 days. And what about the wood? That is biodegradable, and it takes what, 10 to 20 years. I'm talking about wood. And vegetables 10 to 20 days. And the wool, biodegradable 10 to 20 months. And the metals such as tin and aluminium, non biodegradable, and it takes more than the 100 years. And the plastics, non biodegradables, more than the 100 years. So in this table strands you have seen the timing of the different object, as we can say their age. So students, what kind of the different what kind of the different method we can use to reduce the number of plastics? So first one, as we see, the dumping the plastic in water bodies poses a threat to aquatic life. Yeah students, these are not good habit. If you are dumping the plastic in water body, then what will happen? It is threat to aquatic life. Aquatic life means there in water body there are fishes. That is important for our nature. And the burning plastics release the toxic gases. If you are burning the plastics in a nature, that it will release the toxic gases, which can increase the air pollution. It may result in the various health hazards. And the plastic bags the carelessly thrown on the road find way into drains, which chokes the drains and the sewage system. And this result in the overflow on the sewage water. And at the time of flood you will see the result, and the stagnant water becomes the breeding the ground and the mosquito, and that causes the disease like the malaria. As students, we can see here the effect of using plastic substances. Plastic bags thrown in the garbage with food in them are sometimes the consumed by the animals like the cows, and this may choke their respiratory systems and the lead to death of that animals. Sometimes students, you have seen some cows are there, some uh, different animals like the goat and the buffaloes. Okay, they eat the food which is packed in the plastic container, plastic polythene. Along with the plastic they eat. Then what will happen? It will it will choke their respiratory system, and that animal will die. So is this good habit? No, this is not a good thing. If plastics remains in the soil for a long time, they block the seepage of the rainwater through the soil and causing the problem in recharging the groundwater. Students, that plastics will not allow to pass the water from upside to down, and the level of groundwater will decrease easily, you can say. And use of recycled plastic bags to keep food items in them is also harmful for health. In a study, students, I heard that it can it can be danger for your health. It can leads to the death. The cancer disease can be occur if you are using the more plastics in your daily life. Okay, and the way to reduce the plastics pollution. So here, students, we will discuss that what kind of the what are the ways by which you can the decrease the plastics. So first thing, what we have to use, the the best way to reduce the pollution caused by the plastic is to recycle them. Recycle means by using that plastics you can make the different object which is useful for you, which is desired for you. Use the jute cloth and the paper bags instead of the plastic bag. And when you go to the for the shopping, paper bag and the jute bag, cloth bag you can use instead of the plastic bag. Third one, reuse the plastic bags. If you have purchased the plastic bag, then do not throw that plastic bag. Use it again and again, and containers for the other purposes instead of the throwing them. Try to buy products. Try to buy products that have less plastics packaging. And the dispose of the plastic bags properly. The municipal corporation has made available green bins for the collecting the biodegradables waste, and the blue bins for the collecting non-biodegradable waste like plastic. Here, students, in this picture you see some beans. Yeah, what you have understood by these beans? This bean is used for collecting what? This bean is used for collecting what? Biodegradable things, and this bean is used for collecting non-biodegradable things. So students, these are the methods. Okay, yeah, reuse the plastic bags and the container for the other purposes instead of the throwing them, and try to buy the products that have the less plastic packaging, and the dispose of the plastic bags properly. The municipal corporation has made the bins, as I students I told you about these bins. And the remember the 4R formula. 4R formula are what? Reduce, reuse, recycle, and the recover. And the follow it to minimize the damage caused by the plastics to the environment. And each one of us should take up the responsibility of keeping the public place clean and the free from the plastics. Fact, scientists are trying to produce photo yeah, photodegradable plastics which can be decomposed by sunlight. So students, in this chapter what we have studied, in this chapter we have studied that there is the another type of fiber besides the natural fiber, that was plastic, that is plastic and the sorry, that is plant and the animal fiber. These are the natural fiber, and the other one, that is synthetic fiber, that is important and more useful for us, but that has some disadvantage also, that cannot be destroyed easily. That's why we have to decrease the use of that plastic. Now here, time to answer. Students, now you are able to answer of these question, as in true or false you have to write answer by using the pencil here. Okay, the plastics are soluble in water. No, it's mean false. And the plastics are good conductor of heat, so this is also false. And the plastics do not release the harmful gases. Okay, this is also false, because they release. And the thermosetting plastics get deformed on heating. What? False, that cannot be deformed. And the plastics are biodegradable. This is also false, that is non biodegradable. And we should use the jute bags instead of plastic bags to reduce the pollution caused by plastic. Yeah, this is the true. Instead of plastic bags we must use the jute bags. Here some terms, students, like the monomers. What are the monomers? The small unit which join with the other similar units to form a bigger unit, and that bigger unit will be called what? Polymers. And the polymers is what? A large unit made up of the many small monomers. And the polymerization means the process of linking a large number of monomers to form a polymer. And the thermoplastics are what? The plastics which can be remolded repeatedly. And the thermosetting plastics are what? The plastics which once set cannot be remolded. Now I know, after reading this chapter, students, you are able to tell that the synthetic fibers are polymers. Synthetic fibers are polymers, and the synthetic fibers are the man-made fibers that are made by the chemical processes of the petrochemicals. And the rayon, nylon, polyester, and the acrylic are the example of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are resistant to bacteria and the moisture, have the high tensile strength, and are the cheaper in the cost than the natural fiber. And synthetic fiber also have some disadvantages. Plastics are an integral part of our lives. The plastics are durable and non-reactive, the inexpensive, the strong and the light in weight, and the poor conductor of heat and electricity. Strengths, I have taught you these things. And the plastics are of the two types, thermoplastic and the thermosetting. Student, thermoplastics can be converted into the different object that can be remolded and reshaped, but thermosetting cannot. And plastics are non-biodegradable and pollute the environment. Hence, we need to minimize their use and dispose them properly. Now students, after the completion this chapter, there are some questions by using the pencil. Students, you have to complete. These are the MCQs. Okay, MCQs. After the MCQs, there are some questions which are fill in the blanks. You have to read carefully, and after you have to write answer by using pencils in these columns. Okay, then in third one there are write true and false. Here true and the false you have to write the answer. Then in give reason for each of the following statements. Read carefully by using the pencil, you can write here. So students, this short type of questions you can do in this book by using the pencils. Okay, so students, see you in next chapter.